How to work on Fiverr for beginners. If you're a beginner and want to start as a freelancer and use your skill to develop your income, then how can you set up your Fiverr account and use it? Basically, Fiverr is a freelance platform. To signing into this, to register yourself, you have to open the Fiverr website in front of you on your Google Chrome or any other browser. After that, click on the sign in option if you don't have an account, and you can also sign in with Apple ID, your Facebook, and I will go through the Google account here. I have so many email ID, but I will search one of my basic and the real account for creating this account. Now, as you can see, I have signed into my account here in front of you. Then click on your profile option again on the right top corner of the screen. So by this time, your profile is ready to be viewed. You just have to enter your details, enter your services, that which services you offers, like AI chatbots or any other options. If you do video editing, if you're a developer, if you're any other creative worker, then you can find the work here. You can find the workers here if you want to use it, or if you want to use it for client as a client, then you can hire someone, and if you want to use it as a freelancer, you can create your public profile. That is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.